The 2013 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, FWD, side airbag system, security package, rear window defrost, child safety rear door locks, power moonroof, intermittent wipers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, ventilated front disc brakes, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, emergency trunk release, power outlets, front bucket seats, dual exhaust, compact spare tire, cup holders. Your new ride is just a phone call away.